In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process final pay in Xero Payroll. This is an essential skill for any payroll administrator, so stay tuned as we walk through each step to ensure you manage the process smoothly and accurately. First, you'll need to log in to Xero. Start by navigating to the Xero login page, where you'll enter your login details. Once you're in, you will be greeted by the Xero dashboard, your control center for managing various tasks. Next, we'll move on to opening the payroll function. From the main menu, find the payroll option and click on it. Once inside payroll, you'll see an option for employees. Click on that to access your list of employees. Now, it's time to select the employee whose final pay you need to process. Scroll through your list and select the departing employee. Click on their profile and make sure to verify or update their termination date by checking the Employment tab. This step is crucial because it ensures that all entitlements and deductions are correctly aligned with their leaving date. After confirming the termination date, you'll need to start a new pay run. Return to the payroll section and select Pay Employees. Here you'll find an Add Pay Run button. After clicking, make sure you choose the correct pay period that includes the employee's final pay to accurately capture all the relevant financial details. As we move along, we need to ensure that all final pay details are correctly entered. In the pay run, include the employee's regular wages or salary for the days they worked up until their termination. Don't forget to add any accrued or unused leave payouts, such as annual leave or holiday pay if applicable. Final deductions, if there are any, should also be added during this step, along with any other necessary adjustments like bonuses or reimbursements to ensure everything is up to date. The next step involves reviewing the tax and retirement contributions. You must ensure that the correct amount of tax is applied to the final payments. It's also important to verify that contributions to retirement accounts like superannuation in Australia or KiwiSaver in New Zealand are correctly calculated and included. Once you're sure everything is in order, review the final pay summary. If it's all accurate, proceed to post the pay run. Click Post Pay Run and, if applicable, submit this information to your tax authority, such as via Single Touch Payroll in Australia or real-time information in the UK. Upon posting the pay run, the next priority is to pay the employee and provide them with their payslip. Process the payment using your connected bank account. Xero makes it easy to generate a payslip, so ensure the employee receives their final payslip. Finally, once the payment is processed, it's time to archive the employee. Navigate back to their profile and update their status to archived. This action will prevent them from appearing in any future pay runs, keeping your records organized and up to date. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to processing final pay in Xero Payroll. By following these detailed instructions, you'll handle this essential task with confidence and precision.